Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. This video is going to be a little different because it's so late into Friday, but I've had a lot of stuff going on. But this video I'm just going to give you breakdowns. There's not going to be any visuals for the items that I'm putting in the breakdown. These are going to be all digital scenarios for Saturday, May 9th at the Dollar General. I wasn't even going to post a video, but there's some really good low out of pocket, so I thought I'd go ahead and post it with just the breakdown, and hopefully it helps you. So if you're interested in seeing what these breakdowns are, just keep watching. Okay, even though a lot of places are starting to open back up, go ahead, please remember to be safe, keep your distance from people, don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth, all that good stuff, and wash your nasty hands. Before we go any further, let me tell you about Fetch Rewards. If you are truly serious about couponing and saving money, then you need to download this app. Fetch is the easiest app to use. They have over 300 participating brands. Basically, if you buy one of their 300 participating brands, Fetch gives you cash back. They also have bonus points they give for certain products that are featured on their Discover page. Even if your receipt doesn't have any participating brands, you'll still get 25 points. You can scan up to 14 receipts in a 7-day period. So if you don't already have Fetch Rewards, go ahead and download the app. You can use my referral code, BRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 points when you scan your first receipt. Your first receipt can be for anything like a pack of gum. So go ahead and download the app and use my referral code, VRYQQ. And now a quick little refresher course on the Dollar General app. Here are some things you're going to want to remember. You're going to want to scan every single item in the store with the app. You're going to check to make sure the price is coming up correctly. Sometimes what's shown on the shelf is not the actual price. Next, you're going to make sure your digital coupons are attaching to the items. If that digital coupon is not showing attaching on the app, it's not going to attach when you get to the register. Next, you want to make sure your total is $25 before coupons come off. If you have an instant savings, that has to come off before the $25. So say you have a $3 instant savings, you're going to want your total to be $28 before coupons. We don't have any instant savings in these scenarios, but if you did, then you would want to make sure to add that to your $25 total. Next, get what you need, not what is cheap. Basically, I don't like getting trial size things. To me, it just takes up more space, and you get 2 or 3 uses out of it. To me, it's not worth it, but if you want trial size things for free, go for it. And another thing that's not listed here, but I want you to remember, if you are doing a gain scenario, that 5 off 30 gain coupon has to attach to every single item in your scenario. So say for the gain detergent, when you scan it, it should show the 5 off 30 gain coupon. It should also show the $1 off 1 gain detergent coupon. With the gain scenarios, your total has to be over $30 because it's 5 off of 30 for the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 30 to come off. A lot of people say the two don't stack, but they absolutely do. You just have to make sure that 5 off 30 gain coupon is attaching to every single item in that scenario. Some gain cents will attach to it and some will not. So scan everything. And now a quick rundown of how to use the app to scan your items. First thing you're going to do is open your app. Down at the bottom, right in the middle, it says List. You're going to click on that, and it's going to open up your shopping list. Then up top, you're going to check and make sure that your location is the store that you are at. If not, you're going to hit Change Store and select the correct location. And finally, you're going to click on this little barcode, and it's going to open up your scanner. I'm going to scan a few items from my stockpile to show you what we're looking for. First, let's scan this bottle of Gain dish soap. You'll see that there's a 50-cent coupon attaching to it, as well as the Gain 5 off 30 coupon. So you could use this item in a gain scenario. Now let's add it to our cart. If we click right here where it says Deals Applied, it'll drop down and show you the coupon attached to that item. Let's go back up here and hit the scanner again, and we're going to go and scan another item. Here we are going to scan an Airwick multi-refill pack. Once we scan it, we are going to see that there are no coupons listed below, which means no coupons attached to this item. Now on to another item. We're going to scan a U-Buy Kotex because I know there is a coupon that attaches to it. So let's pick it up here and scan it. So once we get it scanned, we will notice that there is going to be a $1 coupon attaching to it. The regular price is $3.60. With the $1 coupon, it lowers the price to $2.60. You want to make sure this little check mark is here. That means it is clipped to your account. One last final and quick thing is this subtotal at the bottom here on the right. Do not go by what this says. Sometimes it'll be correct, but more times than not, it will be incorrect. My suggestion is do a little old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, let's jump right into these scenarios. You're going to pick up 2 of the Huggies diaper wipes. They're $2 each. You're going to use that $1 off 2 Huggies diaper wipe digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Beneful grain-free dry dog food for $5.95. You're going to use that $1.50 off 1 Beneful digital coupon. You're going to pick up 6 of the Bella wet dog foods. They're 75 cents each. You're going to use that $2 off 6 Bella wet dog food digital coupon. You're going to pick up 2 of the Bic Gelosity 2-pack pens. They're $2 each. You're going to use that $2 off 2 Bic writing instrument digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Crest cavity protection toothpaste for $2. You're going to use the $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Gain detergent for $3.95. You're going to use the $1 off 1 Gain digital coupon. Then you're going to buy 1 Gain dryer sheet 34 count for $2, and you're going to use that $1 off 1 Gain fabric softener. And you're also going to want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. Now your cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total is going to be $26.40 before coupons. You're going to enter your number at the keypad at the register. $14.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $11.90 or 85 cents per item. For your next scenario, you're going to pick up 1 Charmin Essential 12-pack toilet paper for $5. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Charmin digital coupon. You're going to pick up 1 Sparkle paper towel 6-count rolls for $5. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Sparkle digital coupon. You're going to pick up 2 Febreze oil refills. They're $5 each. You're going to use that $5 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. You're also going to buy 1 Crest cavity protection for $2. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon. And you're going to buy 1 Gain detergent for $3.95. And you're going to use that $1 off 1 Gain detergent digital coupon. Also, make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total will be $25.95. Enter your phone number at the keypad. $14 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $11.95 or $1.99 each. And moving right along, this is a Gain scenario. The 5 off 30 Gain coupon must attach to every single item in this scenario. With that being said, here we go. We're going to buy 1 of the Gain detergents. They're $3.95. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Gain detergent digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Febreze oil refills, Gain scented. It must say Gain scented. They are $5 each. We're going to use that $5 off 2 Febreze refill digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners, Gain scented. Again, make sure it has a little Gain logo on it and scan it and make sure that Gain coupon is attaching to it. They are $3 each. We're going to use the $1 off 2 Mr. Clean digital coupon. I just realized my list says $1 off 1, but it's actually $1 off 2 Mr. Clean digital coupon. Then you're going to buy 1 Gain fabric softener. It's the big bottle for $7.50. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Gain fabric softener digital coupon. You're going to pick up 2 of the Gain dish soaps. They're $2 each. Use the $1 off 2 Gain dish soap digital coupon. Then you are going to want to make sure that 5 off 30 Gain purchase coupon is clipped to your account, as well as the 5 off 25. After the cashier scans all of your items, your total will be $31.45. Enter your number at the keypad. $19 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $12.45, or just $1.55 per item. Okay, I lied. There is going to be one visual for you. It's this right here, because these are going to be in your next 2 scenarios. So I wanted to show you what they are. They're brand new, I believe. I've never seen them before until recently in my store. So in the next 2 scenarios where I mentioned the Bic Us razor, this is what I'm talking about, and that's the coupon that attaches. I just wanted to clear that up before we got started on this next scenario. Okay, let's go. Okay, in this scenario, we're going to pick up 1 of the Bic multi-purpose lighters. Those are those bendy long lighters. They're $3.50 this week at Dollar General. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Bic lighter digital coupon. There's actually a picture on the digital coupon that'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Next, you're going to buy 1 Olay body wash, $2.50. You're going to use the $1 off one Olay digital coupon. We're going to buy one Airwick starter kit for $3.35. You're going to use that $1.50 off one Airwick digital coupon. We're going to buy one Gain detergent for $3.95. We're going to use the $1 off one Gain detergent digital coupon. We're going to buy one of those Bic Us Razor starter kits. They're $9 each. We're going to use that $5 off one Bic Us starter kit digital coupon. We're going to buy one Tide Simply detergent for $2.95, and we're going to use that 50-cent off one Tide Simply digital coupon. And of course, we're also going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total will be $25.25 before coupons. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $16 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $9.25 or $1.54 per item. And for our last and final scenario, we're going to buy, again, one of those multi-purpose ladders for $3.50. We're going to use the $2 off one Bic ladder digital coupon. We're going to buy two Suave body washes. They're $2 each. We're going to buy one Suave 3-in-1 hair and body for $3. Then we're going to use the $2 off a $7 Suave purchase digital coupon. We're going to buy one Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste for $2. We're going to use the $1 off one Crest digital coupon. We're going to buy one Jergens lotion for $3.50. You're going to want to scan and make sure that your coupon's attaching, because there are some scents the coupon's not attaching to. Then you're going to use that $2 off one Jergens lotion digital coupon. Again, we're going to pick up the Bic Us Razor starter kit for $9. We're going to use that $5 off one Bic Us starter kit digital coupon. And of course, we're going to use that 5 off 25 on our account. After the cashier scans all your items, your total will be $25 even. You're going to enter your number on the keypad at the checkout. $17 worth of digital coupons will come off. Your new total before tax will be $8 or just $1.14 per item. So you will pay out of pocket less than that razor cost originally by itself. And that, my friends, is how you coupon. Okay, again, I'm sorry, this is not the normal format I usually do. I normally have all kinds of visuals for you. It has just been a crazy, crazy week, and I kept putting it off because I had other things I needed to do. So I wanted to throw it up here anyways because there are some really good breakdowns, and I didn't want y'all to miss out on them. So I went ahead and threw it up this way as quickly as I could. Thank you again for taking the time to watch my videos. I so appreciate it more than you can imagine. There will be another video posted tomorrow. You're going to want to turn on your post notifications so you get a notification when that video goes up, because it's one you're not going to want to miss. You might be seeing some familiar faces in it. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because we'd love to have you as part of our family. I know this video sucked. I'm sorry, but if you don't mind, can you please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up? It really helps me out. I'm not going to keep you any longer. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, bye.